Welcome to Sudoku. I'm Cassidy. Today I'm doing the New York Times Hard Sudoku for Tuesday, July 8th, 2025. All right, let's get started. Let's get that lined up. Okay, let's get started now. All right, just scanning to see what I can fill in. Right off the bat, I see in this box the only cell the 1 can go in is here, and the only cell the 7 can go in is here. And now in this box, the only cell the 7 can go in is here. Okay, so then in this box, 4 will go here or here in this column. This box would be 4, 6, 8, 9. So this is 4, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Mm-hmm. 5 goes here or here in this box. 7 goes here or here. In this box, 7 goes here or here. Hmm. Okay. In this column, 2 is in this box and this row, so the only cell the 2 can go in is here, which means 1 will go here or here, so in this row, the only cell the 1 can go in is here. Okay, then the rest of this row would be 3, 4, 5, 9. So this would be 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 3, 4, 9, and 3, 4, 9. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Um, in this box, the 5 and the 2 are in this row and this column. So that leaves this cell or this cell for the 2 and the 5. And then we'd need 3, 6, 8, 9. So 3 is in this row and this row. So the only cell the 3 can go in is here. And then 6 is in this row and this column. So 6 will go here. And that means 8 and 9 go in this cell and this cell. Okay. And this column would be 1, 3, 8, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. 2 and 5 here and here. Okay, now 6 is in this box and this box. So in this box, the only cell the 6 can go in is here. And then this column would be 4, 7, 8, 9. So this is 8, 9, 4, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9. So now in this row, the only cell the 3 can go in is here. And then this is 4, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. Okay. So now in this box, 3 will go here or here, and my daughter is crying. I will be right back. Okay, we're back. Okay, now in this box, the only cell the 7 can go in is here. So then 4 will go here or here. 1 here, here, here. And then the 3 and the 8 can go anywhere. Okay. Let's see. In this box, 8 will go somewhere here. What does this column need? This column needs 4, 6, 8, 9. So this is 4, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, and 4, 6, 8. Okay. Oh, in this box, the only cell the 2 can go in is here. And now the only cell the 3 can go in is here. And then now in this column, the only cell the 5 can go in is here. So then in this row, the only cell the 5 can go in is here. And then this would be 4 or 9 in this cell and this cell. Okay. I'm having to sort of whisper so that my daughter doesn't wake up. So hopefully you can hear me, okay? So now in this box, the only cell the 6 can go in is here. Okay, which means in this box, the only cell the 6 can go in is here. So then this column would be 489, 89, 489. It's going to go somewhere here in this box. Okay. This row needs 1, 3, 4, 8. So this cell is 1, 3, 4, 8. 4, 8, 4, 8. The 1 and the 3 can't go here and here. So 4 and 8 go here and here, and then the 1 and the 3 go in this cell or this cell. So if this cell has to be the 1 or the 3, then in this box, the only cell the 4 can go in is here. Then this would be 1, 3, 1, 8, 3, 8. Okay. So again, 4 and 8 go here and here. 1 or 3. Okay. Let's see. 8 goes somewhere here in this box. This is 1, 3, 8. Let's look at this column, knowing that the 2 and the 5 go in these two cells. We would still need 1, 3, 8, 9. So this was 1, 3, because 4 and the 8 go here and here. 1 and 3 here and here. So 1, 3, 8, 9. 1, 3, 8, 9, and 3, 9. Okay. Mm-mm. Oh, in this box, the only cell the 6 can go in is here. So then this row needs 1, 5, 8, 9. So this cell is 1, 8, 5, 8, 9, 8, 9, and 5, 8, 9. So in this row, the only cell the 1 could go in is here, because there's a 1 in this column, this column, and this column. And in this box, the only cell the 1 can go in is here. All right, so that's 5, 8, 9, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. And now that this one is here, in this box, the only cell the 1 can go in is here. Then the 3 and the 8 go in this cell or this cell, but we said that this cell had to be 1 or 3 because 3 is in this column and this box. So in this row, the 3 goes here, which means 8 goes here, and then the 3 will go here. And then 4 and 8 go in these two cells. Okay. So now 2 and 5 go in these two cells, like we said. And then this would be 8, 9, and 8, 9. But, no, yeah, that's right. 8, 9. That's right. Oh, but that's what it is. 8 goes here or here in this box, so 8 cannot go in this cell. That will have to be the 9. So then we have 4, 7, 8. 7 and 8 are in this row, so 4 goes here. 7 and 8 go here and here, which leaves the 9 here to finish this column. And then this cell will have to be the 8. And this cell has to be the 9 to finish this row. Now that this 9 is here in this box, the only cell the 9 can go in is here. And now in this box, the only cell the 6 can go in is here, and the only cell the 9 can go in is here, which means this is the 4 to finish this row. All right, this was 2 and 5. This is 4 and 8. 4 is in this row, so 8 goes here, 4 here, which means in this box, 4 goes here and 8 here. Then this row would need a 2, 3, and 7. 2 and 3 are in this box, so 7 goes here. 8 here to finish this box, and then 2 and 3 here to finish this row. 3 is in this column, so the 2 will go here and the 3 here. And now in this box, there's a 3 in this row and this row and this column and this column. So the only cell the 3 can go in is here. In this box, there's a 7 in this column and this column, so the 7 goes here, and then 4 and 9 go in these two cells. 4 is in this column, so the 9 will go here and 4 here. And now that this 9 is here, in this box, the only cell the 9 can go in is here, and then this row needs a 5 and an 8. Okay, this row needs a 4 and an 8, and this row needs 2, 5, 8. 2 is in this column and this column, so the 2 will go here. 5 is in this column, so the 2, 4, 5 is what it is. 2 is still in this column, so 2 goes here. 5 is still in this column, so 4 goes here, and the 5 here. Now that this 4 is here, 8 goes here to finish this column, and then 4 here to finish this row, 8 to finish this box, 5 to finish this one. This column needs a 2 and an 8. 8 is in this row, so 2 goes here, 8 here. And then we need 5 and 9, but 9 is in this row, so 5, 9, and then that means we have 5 and 2. 11 minutes and 39 seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.